Genevieve wants to play at Pororo's house. Off she goes. Ah, here we go. There's Pororo's house. It looks really awesome and fun, and it has tons of cool activities and accessories to play with. Would you like to help me, Genevieve?
Yeah! It's Genevieve's Playhouse.
Alright, let's open it up and take out all the pieces. Here's Pororo and some of his friends. And here's his house. That's pretty cool. It comes with lots of stickers. And even a playmat. And a whole bunch of accessories. Check it out. That's pretty cool. And here's some more. We can ring the doorbell. And open it up like this. Whoa, that's really cool. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rooms. Alright, let's start adding stickers. Here's some wood paneling for the top floor. And a window. This room will need some pictures. Those are pretty cool looking. And we have some potted plants, so we just fold up like this and add to the windowsill. Now let's add a rug over here.